Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Zapier with Facebook leads in a simple and automated way. First, make sure you have access to Facebook Ads Manager and a working lead generation form already created and running. Now, open Zapier and click on Create Zap to start your automation workflow. For the trigger, search and select Facebook Lead Ads. Then connect your Facebook account by logging in and giving the required permissions. Once connected, choose your Facebook page and specific lead form. Then test the trigger to pull sample lead data. Now, move to the action step, where you decide what happens with those leads, like sending them to Google Sheets, CRM, email, or WhatsApp automation tools. Connect the destination app and map the fields such as name, email, and phone number carefully so data flows correctly. Finally, test the entire workflow and turn on your Zap so every new Facebook lead is automatically captured and processed without manual work. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.